Hi, how are you guys doing today? Pablo's here, and today I'm going to be trying two Fruit by the Foot gummies or candy and the Fruit roll-ups, and I'm going to be rating it out of 10. Let's try it together, guys, and see how it tastes. First, the Fruit roll-ups. Let's try it. They're very sticky. Well, let's try it. I heard they're like very sour. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. The Fruit by the Foot, it says very sour, but to me, like it's like normal. It's not sour or sweet. I give the Fruit roll-ups like 7.9 and 8 out of 10. Now the Fruit by the Foot. Let's try it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. The Fruit by the Foot one is like very normal, and it's like way more flavorful than the Fruit roll up one. I give the Fruit by the Foot 10 out of 10. And again, I would like to thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.